Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check product reviews on Temu. So once you find a product, let me scroll down and find something. So let's say I want to check out this product here. In order to find the product review, you want to scroll down on the page here and you will find a section where it shows the rating and it starts to show you those product review. What I want to recommend is that you not only just check product reviews like this, but ensure that you check, for example, the most recent. So you can tap on that. It's going to take you right over to the product review page and you can filter that. You have recommended, you can see fit, you can see one with photos or videos, you can see the most recent, you can see top rating, you can see all this different kind of stuff, right? And you will be able to filter them and see. So for me, I like to check the most recent ones and also the ones with the pictures or videos so I can see what the product actually look like. So this is important. So check these and you can easily find what are those most recent reviews to actually see if people are having a good experience purchasing the product that you're about to buy. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.